Hello guys, welcome to Photoshop 2025 adjustment parts in the label part. How to use adjustment labels. Adjustment label is a very important part. We have a lot of different projects in this course you can find in different sections. So let's start. If you need to control images, input, output, brightness, you must use the label, and there you can see the input output. This one is input. It means you can make darker. The darker start from the shadow. And this one is output. It means you can make brighter for whole image. So the best way to control the label of this image, little bit control from this side and little bit control from this side. It means you can control the brightness with contrast first. And the next we have blend label. How to use blend label. Take a look. This is, for example, the image, and now you need to remove the blue. The blue color, you need to remove the sky. It's very difficult. Take a look. If you need to select the background eraser, select the one's color, you must so attempt to remove the sky from image. This type of erasing needs too much attention. Okay, so another way. Unlock layer and let's go to properties, turn on. In one click you need to remove, Ctrl Z, you need to remove the background. Click on remove background and wait for the result. Fail. So guys, don't forget we have another part of the labels, that is blend label. How to use that? Right click in layer window and go to blending option. And now you can see the label in blend. So you need to blend which color. I need to blend the blue color and start from this part, slowly change. Let's see. Now there is no blue color in this background. So if you need to apply different another sky here, you can add it. Press Ctrl plus O, find another different sky and move, right click, change the size, apply and put here. So there is. Lock this one and select the sky. Here you can see. Delete again. Let's open another different image like this one. Add here, hold Alt, change the size, apply, move it down. Alright guys, this was about adjustment labels. Let's go to another parts.